Is Nvidia about to crash? Peter Thiel just sold his entire Nvidia stake, all 537,742 shares worth $100 million. SoftBank sold all its Nvidia holdings for $5.8 billion. And Michael Burry, the guy who predicted the 2008 housing crash, is now shorting Nvidia with $9.2 million in put options. What do these billionaires know that we don't? You see, this is scary because Nvidia alone makes up 8% of the entire S&P 500's value. If it crashes, the whole global market shakes. Thiel compared the AI hype to the 1999 dot-com bubble, warning investors are pricing in a future that will take 15 to 20 years to unfold. And he's not alone. Jeff Bezos called it an industrial bubble. Goldman Sachs CEO predicts a 12 to 24-month drawdown. But here's what's really concerning. Burry claims big tech is understating depreciation on Nvidia chips, meaning companies will soon be sitting on obsolete equipment they're undervaluing. Yet Nvidia's revenue just grew 56% to $46.7 billion. The company hit $5 trillion valuation. That's bigger than most countries' GDPs. So who's right? The billionaires selling or the market buying? Palantir CEO Alex Karp fired back at Burry saying, the idea that chips is what you want to short is batshit crazy. But here's the twist. SoftBank didn't give up on AI. They sold Nvidia to invest $23 billion directly in OpenAI instead. They're not bearish on AI. They're just betting the real money isn't in chips. So, is this an AI bubble or are smart investors just rotating from hardware to software? And if it is a bubble, what happens when it bursts? Want the complete analysis? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to FinShots TV for more.